Good morning, you guys. It is 3 in the morning. It is very early. Apple and I are waiting for our ride to pick us up, and we are driving to Bangkok. We are leaving Thailand, and I will explain more later in the video. Normally we would fly from here, but all domestic flights are grounded, so we had to hire a van, a private car, and we are driving all the way to Bangkok through various provinces with lockdowns, curfew, you name it. It is going to be complicated and it's going to be a long day, but I'm going to edit this video so it's not a long video. And hopefully it'll provide some insight and we'll explain more later. As I said, wish us luck. We're out of here. How are you doing?
Good. Been sleeping all along the way. Hungry now.
Snacks.
Yes.
Well, you guys, we are about maybe 2 hours from our destination. We've been driving for about 8 hours. We have had not one checkpoint, not one stop. Of course, we stopped for gas and snacks and restroom break, but beyond that, we thought we were going to have all kinds of checkpoints and stuff. And I find it hard to believe that there won't be at least one going into Bangkok. But so far, it has been super smooth, despite what everybody has been telling us. They had us quite worried, but I'm feeling good. I feel optimistic. I think we're going to make it.
Yes, we will.
We're going to do this. All right, we'll check in again in a little bit. Kapkun Kap. We made it, you guys. I will update you more later and tell you what this is all about, and I'll show you the room. Okay, you guys, we have made it. We are staying at the Adelphi or Adelphi Grand. I don't know how to pronounce it. Adelphi. So normally we stay down on Soi 8.
Yeah,
So we're familiar with the restaurants and all that, and we are going to stay at a hotel which is right next to one of our very favorite restaurants. The hotel canceled us. They're converting the hotel into some sort of hospital, COVID bed housing facility, something. So we ended up at the sister facility. So now we are at this hotel. It's actually very nice. I want to show you guys the room. I'm very pleased. Very big, bright room, bright and cheerful, big bed. Mattress is a little bit rough, but TV and Apple's cleaning, but we have
White.
refrigerator, microwave, kitchenette. Even have a laundry machine, which is cool. And that is the bathroom. So let me tell you guys what's going on. So you guys, yes, we are leaving Thailand. We are going back to the US for about 3 months. We have many reasons for this, and we had planned on doing this actually quite a while ago. It just so happens that now Thailand is in its 4th wave, I guess, of COVID. So the restrictions and lockdowns have just made our journey a lot more complicated, but we are already here in Bangkok. We have our COVID test on Monday and we fly on Wednesday. So I don't think we have any more obstacles ahead of us other than that hopefully negative COVID test. We have many things that we need to take care of. Apple and I both want to have our annual physicals done with blood work, go to the dentist. I have like 5 or 6 import shipments coming. I think I have 1 export shipment, possibly a couple expos. And our family misses us and we miss our family. I need to sell my vehicle back home in the US. Just a lot of things that we need to take care of. But we're not going to be gone that long. Maybe about 3 months is kind of what we're figuring. We do not have return tickets yet, so that is always possible to change. But I think it's just going to be about 3 months. Apple's going to be missing her rose garden and her emus, and I left about 16 weeks worth of fish food back home. So when that starts running out, it'll be a little bit challenging. So I think it's not going to be a very long visit. If you're new to the channel, we drop videos every Saturday at 6 a.m. Pacific time, and occasionally we will drop you guys some bonus videos midweek. So we are going to adhere to that schedule throughout, regardless of whether we're in the US or back in Thailand. But that is pretty much what's going on. I wanted to bring you guys along for the COVID test, and we just got a message that said strictly no photo or video allowed, so clearly that isn't gonna happen. We are here in Bangkok right now. As you know, the lockdown is pretty severe. There are no restaurants open for dining in, only takeaway, and most restaurants are actually closed. All the malls are closed, the parks are closed, everything is closed. There's very light traffic on the roads, very few people out, and it is just not the fun city that it usually is. So we may or may not be able to bring you some more footage from here in Bangkok, but no matter what, we will see you guys on US soil, and you can expect to see us at least next Saturday with a new video. Thank you for watching, you guys. We will see you again soon. Take care of yourselves.